Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Brooke Bertsen here with Hearing Solution Centers in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I'm joined with my coworker, Dr. Kathleen Sameo. You can check out our website at heartulsa.com. And today we are going to play a fun game called Would You Rather Audiology Edition. Coming up. Okay. So this is a game, I think it's going to be a fun game. This is a game I know my generation grew up playing. Did you guys?
I don't think we did. Not really.
I don't think Dr. Young's generation played it at all. But so we've got a couple questions here, and we're just going to kind of go back and forth and draw questions out of our mug. Want to start?
I'll go first? Okay. So let's see. Would you rather be called doctor or simply go by your name? I really honestly just go by my name. I think a lot of that for me though is because I have a very difficult last name. Sameo is hard for a lot of people to remember, hard for a lot of people to pronounce. So a lot of time I'll have a lot of patients, they'll just call me Dr. Kathleen or Kathleen. I'm fine with that.
But they do throw the title doctor in front
They'll
of it.
at least give me a little title there.
So in same, I tend to go by Dr. Bertsen. Bertsen's not quite as hard as Sameo. I do get Berenstein, whatever. I'll respond to it. I think if I wasn't in private practice though, I would lose the doctor title just because having worked with peds before, they hear the word or the name doctor and they automatically assume you're going to give them like a shot. So I was always just Miss Brooke in the schools.
That makes sense. I'll go for that.
All right. Would you rather, I already know your answer. Would you rather remove wax manually or use the irrigator?
Oh, I love manually removing wax. There is just something cathartic about it. I don't know. I'm the type of person where I like watching the pimple popping videos and I love like power washing videos, which is weird. But there's just something about being able to get in someone's ear and like just get a big clunk of wax out all at once that just feels really good.
And I'm all about using the irrigator. I know Dr. Young is on my side on this. And some of you may have seen a lot of the TikTok videos, if you're on TikTok, about people getting their ears flushed. So you can come to the office and we'll flush your ears out if you've got wax. But yeah, I like using water to flush instead of manually. I'm gentle and nice, according to some patients, on how easy I pull out wax, but I think that's just intimidation factor.
Maybe so. All right. Would you rather do your doctorate program again or go back to high school? Definitely do my doctorate program again.
I'd go back to high school.
Would you?
I think high school was so much easier than the doctorate program was. So it's cool and all, but yeah, I liked high school.
I did not.
Would you rather wear scrubs to a wedding or formal dress to work? I'm scrubs to a wedding.
I think so too. I'm not much of a girly girl, so just the idea of anything formal probably doesn't, but scrubs are just comfy.
Yeah. I mean, I did go to a formal wedding a couple weeks ago, and I think I could have worn that dress here, but yeah, scrubs are more comfortable.
Yeah, scrubs, all the way scrubs. All right, let's see. Would you rather be a school audiologist or work in a hospital if you weren't in private practice?
School audiology.
Yeah?
I loved working with the kids and stuff like that, and yeah, I enjoyed it. So I'd probably do school audiology.
Okay. I think I'd rather work in a hospital. I like the idea that there's just a lot more variety within it.
Yeah.
Including a variety of ages. We'll say that.
Let's see. Would you rather wear a brightly colored hearing aid or one that blends in with hair or skin?
I like the bright ones. I mean,
I do too.
I kind of go with the idea like people are going to know I have a hearing aid anyway. I want it to look cool.
Yeah, and I think that's the same. I want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
See, there you go.
Yeah, Dr. Young wears a bright
He's got those
colored
bright reds,
red.
and I think they're cool. And I feel like nowadays with hearing aids, the technology is so much like even my younger people and my teens or people in their 20s, they're starting to go for the bright ones too because we're not trying to hide the cool stuff.
Yeah.
And so with the Bluetooth and the apps and all that, it's like, yeah, look what I've got. We show it off.
Make it look cool. And you can even find the bling that people put on their hearing aids, or kiddos will put stickers and stuff on them. Yeah, make it cool. Don't make it look like your, grandma's hearing aid.
Plus, if you drop it, it's easier to find. Hard to find a beige hearing aid on a beige carpet. All right. Would you rather use batteries or have rechargeable hearing aids?
That's hard. I like the convenience of rechargeable, but I do like the idea if something goes out that I can have a battery to just put it. I'll say rechargeable.
Yeah? Okay. See, I thought you would have said batteries because you guys are always camping and whatnot.
What would you pick?
I think I'd probably go rechargeable too.
Yeah.
I think there's some benefits of the regular batteries, but overall, rechargeable. It's just
Convenience.
easier. Yeah. Plus, then it's always guaranteed to get in the case, so I know my cat won't eat it.
Would you rather do reports and billing or do your taxes?
I mean, taxes aren't that hard nowadays. Do them online. I'd almost rather do my taxes.
I don't do my own taxes, so I think I'd rather do billing. I don't think I'd know where to start on taxes. That's sad to say.
Yeah, either way. But reports and billing is not fun. But
Pick it over.
I don't know. There'd be worse things. There could be worse things. All right. Let's see. Would you rather perform a hearing test at Niagara Falls or an amusement park?
Neither.
Either way, those results aren't going to be very accurate.
No.
I don't know. I'm assuming I would think Niagara Falls would be a lot harder.
I've never been, so I don't know what it's
I'm
like.
assuming it's really loud.
So yeah, I'd pick an amusement park.
Maybe we could find like a quiet corner of the amusement park. You could do it like way up high on the Ferris wheel. It'd be a little quieter up there.
Just, yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Amusement park.
Okay, and this is our last question. Would you rather sit in a rotary chair or have calorics done?
I'd rather sit in a rotary chair.
Okay. Calorics in the audiology world, there's a couple of different ways that you can do it. There's air and there's water, and it's used to help test out your balance system. Google it, it's interesting. I've had both ways done, both air and water. I absolutely did not care for it.
So either way, with the air or the water, it makes you very, very dizzy.
Yeah.
With the rotary
it's
chair,
like you were just on a roller coaster at an amusement park. And
Yeah.
You did what is that called? A corkscrew. Or
there you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it does that, and then the rotary chair we also use, but it's like through spinning.
But it's slow rotating, so
Yeah,
I would
rather
chair.
do a rotary chair.
Yeah.
I know there's been plenty of people who have had to do calorics, and you can just get sick. I don't think, for me personally, a rotary chair would not make me sick, and I know
Ice waters?
I know calorics would.
You say what?
Ice water?
Well, I mean, for water calorics, yeah,
It's cold.
depending on
or
your
hot.
results, you have either very cold water or you have very warm water. It's livable. It's just not fun.
Yeah.
So I'm glad I don't do that to patients every day.
Yeah, all
So,
for the rotary chair.
So, and that was our last question. So, I mean, I enjoyed answering these questions.
Yeah, I think they're kind of fun. It's kind of a different approach to kind of figure some things out about audiology, which is nice. So
And
if
it's
you
a little different video than
Yeah.
what I think most people see on the channel. So.
Yeah, so if you are interested and want to see more, be sure to check us out at our website. It's heartulsa.com. And also, if you want to hear more here, you can just click like or subscribe, and you'll get some more content there as well.
Yep. Thank you.